Alright, we're going to unbox one of the giant boxes full of RC goodies that are shipped from Oregon to Hawaii. Let's see how bad this stuff got destroyed. This box sure turned to mush. And this went USPS. Excuse my packing job. I was in a rush and just kind of went crazy. It is a massive mix of chaos. Look at all these goodies. And there's large 10th scale cars buried under here and everything. 24th scale AE86. It's toy brand, but it's 4-wheel drive drifter status. Vintage Nico, or it might be Tyco. I don't know, it's Toyota MR2. Nico, Toyota MR2, 24th scale. Let's see, 24th scale RGT, almost complete. A canoe. It's like a 10th scale canoe. Another Toyota AE86 is a Tyco version. I really should have packed this stuff better. I'm surprised that this thing's not damaged. I feel like an idiot for just shoving stuff in here, but I literally did not have time. I procrastinated. Another AE86. Oh man. Bunch of scale straps. They are camera straps in case you're looking for badass scale toe straps. Look at this. You get nice stripey ones. Oh, the lighting is not so good. 24th scale Ford Ranger body. .36 scale Chevy 1500. It's a Nico brand. Yeah, Nico. Metal Nylant Toyota. Old school. Man, what is wrong with this camera? Junk, man. Losi 2.4 transmitter. Scale. Recaro. Ay. Rims and tires. These are like big boggers. Little 36 scale plastic 81 Toyota. Don't know what brand that is. Oh yeah. Okay. Scale subs that I built. 1/6. Sorry about my camera operating skills. I'm using my Shark Attack arm to hold the camera. Scale engine. Well, the top half, the blower. 16th scale VW Bug. Herbie. Yeah. It's going to be a fun build. It's Planet Toys brand. Bunch of beatbox kickflip. Got a whole bunch of them. What else we got in here? We got a Nico Toyota body. You know, I cannot believe I haven't found anything broken yet. Pretty amazed. I did try to ship only stuff that I thought would live through this. Got a Kyosho DB. I've never driven this thing. I bought it in this condition, missing a spindle and a wheel, and it does have a Castle motor in it, but just needs a little bit of work. I have the parts for it. Nice car though, man. Chevy Silverado HD. It's like 1/12 scale or something. think I can make some 10th scale stuff work with it. It's a really nice, solid hard body. A metal Forerunner? No. No way. Yes way. Oh my god, what a mess. Rims and tires for all different sizes. Scale stuff out the wazoo. I just started dumping drawers of small stuff in here to fill in the gaps. These little RC tanks. All kinds of weirdness. And there's a WPL chassis. Alright, rims and tires for my Wraith Spawn that I used to own. Still have the axles and the transmission. Some more rims and tires. What do we got down there? Is that an Impala? No. Hell yeah it is. Oh, rims and tires. More of these ECX beatbox things. ECX kick flips. Do I see tracks? I see tracks. Oh, that is a Tyco Fast Traxx, and I will not be surprised if it is broken. It appears to be intact. Appears to have lived through the hell that is USPS. Cool. I do have the controller for it, and it does work. Oh, rims and tires. Low stuff. What else we got in there? Let's pull out this Impala. It's a Radio Shack 67 Impala with the hydraulic system. Electronic hydraulic system, which I'm going to put some hobby grade stuff in this bad girl. It's got the 3-wheel motion. Oh man, yeah. Alright. Cradling all this mess, we have a massive Humvee. This had to have gotten broken in some way. The tires literally stuck to it. Look at that bad girl. It's huge. That's going to be a fun build. I got some Emax suspension components and drivetrain. And I will custom make a chassis for it. What else I got in here? We do have a Radio Shack Toyota body. It's like 1/12 scale, 1/13, something like that. It lived through shipping. I'm not sure why we're having focus issues here. Come on. And one more exciting item. Another Tyco Fast Traxx body. Or Tyco Bandit. Pretty sure this was on the Fast Traxx, being that it was green. Is green underneath. Anyway, stay tuned. I've got a lot of projects to work on here. It should be fun. This is going to be a fun build. I'm excited about that. I think WPL stuff will fit right under there nicely. Anyway, stay tuned for the next unboxing video.